Hey guys, I want to show a quick unboxing of the Dashcam. It says it's 8K, but highly doubt it. Don't previously open it already, so just get see an idea of what's in here. This is camera. The rear camera, the memory card, which I already put it in there. This was separate. I connected it to it. Manual. But yeah, I'm gonna hook it up and we'll see how the quality looks like. So let's check it out. We're here with Lil Dollars testing the product. Let's see if it works, guys. Here, plug it in, Noah. Don't mind the sausage fingers.
To plug it. Oh, it should be.
Button. Oh, it turned on by itself.
It looks pretty good. What do you say so?
Yeah. The most important thing is that it works. That's all we want to see. It works.
Right.
So it works.
Let me turn the light on. What? Do it outside? Put it like out the window? See how it out the window looks.
You can't leak my address.